Good morning, everyone. Today we are starting our new chapter, biotechnology and its application, and we will continue with the topic because introduction was already given to you. So we were discussing about the application in agriculture. The very first application in agriculture, we will start with the topic BT cotton. Insect resistant plants can also be developed by the progressing engineering insect resistance in transgenic plant, which has been made through the expression of insect toxin gene of Bacillus thuringiensis in plants. Most strains of this toxin gene are toxic to the group of Lepidopteran larvae. The toxicity is due to the toxin gene named as BT. This BT toxin gene has been cloned from the bacteria and expressed in plants to provide resistance from insects without the requirement of insecticides. It has created a type of biopesticide, and the example of this biopesticide is BT cotton. We have already got some of the more varieties like BT corn, rice, tomato, potato, and soya bean. The bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis forms a special protein, and this special protein is named as cry protein. You can see in the picture, it is written over there, cry. This cry protein is toxic to larvae of certain insects, which includes the members of Lepidopterans such as tobacco birdworm, armyworm, coleopterans, in which beetles are included, and diapterans, in which flies and mosquitoes are included. There are several different types of cry protein. Each cry protein is toxic to different groups of insects. Bacillus thuringiensis produces some types of protein crystals in a specific stage of their growth and development. The gene encoding cry protein, which are named as cry gene, has been isolated and transferred into several crops. I have written some of the cry genes like cry 1A and cry 2nd AB control the cotton ball worm, and cry 1AB controls the corn borer. The protein formed by gene cry 3rd AB controls the Colorado potato beetle, and cry 3rd BB controls the corn root worm. This is a case where transgene product directly produces the phenotype of insects. Now there is a question which is written in NCERT also, that why BT toxin does not kill the Bacillus bacterium. Because we are getting this strain from this bacterium. Then why this poison which is produced by cry gene is not killing this bacterium? Why it is only killing the group of insects which are infesting the plant, such as cotton plant? Now the answer behind this question is that BT toxin is present in the form of inactive protoxin form within the bacterium. However, when this inactive form is ingested by an insect, it is converted into active toxic form. This happens due to alkaline pH of gut. Gut of whom? The gut of insect who is taking that protein from the plant, which solubilizes the crystal. Such toxic activated forms bind to surface of midgut. This forms pores and lead to the formation of cell swelling and lysis. That means breakdown. Due to all this, finally insect is killed. So do remember that this cry protein in the body of insect is in inactive form. That's why it does not kill the bacillus bacterium. Whereas when it is ingested by the insect, now you know this gene from bacillus we have put in cotton plant. Now cotton plant has become biopesticide. Now it is not going to infect cotton plant. It has no fear of insects now. Okay, because whenever insects will come and try to suck the sap from the cotton plant, the protein produced by that gene in the cotton plant will become active as soon as it will go to the gut of insect. There and then the insect, because of that poison, will be killed, and there is no need to worry. All the problems of farmers can be solved. We will continue this topic tomorrow also with new application. Thank you.